Are you or someone you know battling a never-ending cough? It might be pertussis, the 100-day cough. Highly contagious, spreading fast worldwide, dangerous for babies, pregnant women, and the elderly. Symptoms progress in 3 stages. Stage 1, cold-like symptoms, very contagious. Stage 2, violent whooping cough fits can last weeks. Stage 3, slow recovery but cough lingers. Prevention, vaccination. Infants, kids, adults, and pregnant women need booster shots. 5 quick tips to stay safe. Get vaccinated. Wear a mask when sick. Wash hands often. Avoid close contact with coughers. See a doctor for persistent cough. Don't ignore it. Pertussis is serious. Stay protected and spread awareness. Like and subscribe for more information.